produce cold, it was producing heat.
And
So all of our food is bad and semi-cooked, and it smells rotten.
the milk was green.
Yeah.
Allegedly green. Matt says it was green.
It was green. And
All right, let's go. Go. Go.
All right, so you guys have a new tactic.
Yeah, thanks to the people at Car Freshener. Yeah. Oh man, that's so bad! You guys? No!
Yeah. I just received word from Matt that the freezer has not only chicken, but fish and shrimp.
We just finished up round 3, and I lost it, and I yacked in the damn toilet. I made the mistake of trying to hold my breath the whole time, and then I took in a deep breath because I ran out of breath, and I could taste it. Shit, watch out! You're missing! You're missing! Put it back in! It's on the floor! I want the floor!
So during the 4th round, my glasses fell off right when we started, and I freaked out and just left Matt alone. He ended up barfing again. Apparently, shortly after I ran out, Matt sounded like Kenny from South Park as he was talking. There's so many layers of clothes that nobody could understand him. I have serious concerns about the freezer. I might vomit. I'm calling it. With chicken, fish, and shrimp, it's a 3-way combo that could lead to a deadly attack.
The job today is to take the trash from John, who's taking it from Brian, and put it outside about 50 yards out there in the trash, which is starting to smell like the stuff we previously put in there in rounds 1 through 3. I have no idea what the freezer has in store for us.
I just stuffed it in there.
I couldn't even talk.
Round 5. Go. What the fuck is this? Keep going. That's the fucking egg.
Fine.
Go!
Round 5 was probably the best round, in my opinion. Neither of us got really that sick. Matt even had some kind of
Oh, I just wiped my face with it. Oh,
Dude, your hand looks like you look like the guy from Waterworld.
Oh.
Look like Kevin Costner.
Well, the fridge is now completely done. We're on our last mile here, but the freezer is the last mile, and it will be a long and painful, smelly, just gross experience. What we have planned, though, is we bought some Lysol stuff. We're going to just open the fridge and spray it in there, a lot of it, and then shut it, because that's a good idea. So we're going to do that.
This is the freezer. Kevin? You ready? Round 6, isn't it?
7.
Whatever. Final round.
I'm not doing that with my hand. Oh, fuck.
Hey, you have to just do it.
I'm not doing it.
God! Get out of my way! Ow! Fuck!
There's something else in there.
The last nugget. Get the last nugget.
I can't! I can't!
Do it.
I can't!
Okay, so we went in to the freezer thinking, it was going to be tough, but we ran into some complications. One, there were hamburger patties just sitting in the freezer. Matt couldn't handle it. He fell out. He had barfed. Had to finish the job. I got a plastic bag I got a trash bag, put it around my hand, and when I went to reach for the hamburger patties, it grinded up in my hand, and it was all just raw, hot, melting hamburger patties in my hand. I barfed in my shirt. And then I had to switch shirts and I finished the job somehow, and I think there's some inspirational music being played in the background. DuckTales the Moon on NES. We finished the job, so we're going to Lysol it down and hopefully get our deposit back.